So before you begin your treatment and your client comes, you need to make sure that you've got everything prepared ahead of time. So you're going to need a lighter. You're going to need your oil for the massage, a dish of water to extinguish the candles. Make sure that the dish of water is close by so that you can keep a hold of the client's ear whilst you put the candle into the water. And obviously you will need your pair of ear candles. And do check the safety filters are not loose. If they are, they'll have to be discarded, okay? So safety filters are in place. And it's always good practice to leave the candles in the packet so that the client can see that you are demonstrating a hygiene. Okay, so leave them in the packet and pop them on your trolley. And just to remind you, you should have no smoke detectors in the area because you might set them off with the candles. Okay, so we will begin.